Hey guys, in this video I'm going to be answering the question, is it better to book your own excursions on a cruise? And I'll go through the pros and cons if you book directly on a cruise or using a third party operator. If you find this video helpful, please drop a like and subscribe to my channel. In saying that, let's just jump straight into the video. Alright, so you've got some advantages of booking your own excursions. So the number one is cost saving. So lower prices, independent tours can be more affordable than those offered by the cruise line, especially if you're booking directly with local operators. And you've got some haggle room, so you can negotiate. In some cases, you can negotiate prices, especially if you're booking last minute at the port. You've got customized experiences, so you can tailor your excursion to your interests, whether that means visiting off the beaten path sites, spending more time at certain attractions, or choosing activities not offered by the cruise line. And small groups, independent tours often cater to smaller groups, providing a more intimate experience compared to larger cruise organized excursions. And you got the flexibility too. So you got the choice of operator. You can choose the tour operator that best fits your needs, including reviews and reputations that you can research yourself. And you got a variety of different options. So there might be more variety in independent excursions, including niche or specialty tours not available directly through the cruise line. And now let's run through the disadvantages of booking your own excursions. So as we all know, you got the timing risks. So no ship waiting guarantee. The biggest risk is that if your independent tour runs late, the ship will not wait for you. If you miss the ship, you will need to make arrangements to meet at the next port, which can be costly and stressful. And we've all seen those videos on YouTube, TikTok, of people missing those or missing the ship, and yeah, it's quite embarrassing. Lack of support, so no cruise line assistance. If there are issues with your excursion, such as a cancellation or safety concern, you won't have the cruise line support or protection. Also, language barriers. In some destination, communication with local operators can be challenging if there's a language barrier. And you got logistical challenges. So research required. Booking independently requires more time for research and planning, including checking reviews, verifying safety, and coordinating logistics, which can be a little bit stressful. You got transportation, so getting to and from your excursion may require additional transportation arrangements, which can add complexity and cost. And also limited refund policy. So if your port schedule changes or if the ship can't dock due to weather, you may not get a refund or a full refund from an independent operator, unlike with the cruise line excursions, which typically offers more flexibility, cancellation policies. Yeah, so booking your own excursion can be better if you're looking for a more personalized, potentially less expensive experience and are comfortable with the added responsibility and risk. However, if peace of mind, convenience, and guarantee return to ship are more important to you, booking through the cruise line might be a safer choice. I've personally done both myself, and I think it's fine either way, but just keep in mind the potential risks as well.